Hello friends and welcome to Happy We once again. How are you all doing? Today in this video let us see how to make healthy tasty fish fry. So here I have taken some pomfrets, cut them into pieces, removed the fins and cleaned and kept properly. So the process I use to clean the fish is just after cutting them, soak them in water and take a teaspoonful of salt, little turmeric, and also use 1 lemon so that it gets cleaned of that smell. So you can see very nicely washed fish pieces here, very clean, and they have been soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes in salt, turmeric and lemon. I have taken 1 lemon for these many pieces, so you can see some around 8 to 10 pieces over there. So you can see some fresh lemons over here. It gives a lot of juice. This makes our fish very fresh, and you can get rid of the kind of fishy smell the fish has. Obviously a fish will have fishy smells. And coming back to the masala part, here I use garam masala powder, a little of it, then turmeric, salt, ginger garlic paste, little red chili powder, and make it a nice paste using 1 tablespoonful of oil. Now oil depends upon the number of fishes you have. Instead of garam masala powder, you can as well go with coriander powder or cumin powder. It's up to you as per your taste. So after mixing all of them into a very nice paste, just look at this beautiful color with the oil. Oil helps to coat all the pieces properly. Now use this paste to gently, evenly coat all the fish pieces. See that you don't soak them for a lot of time because they'll start leaving water because you have salt in that. 5 to 10 minutes is more than enough because we have already soaked them in salt water. And deep fry them using a deep bottom kadhai. Just look at this beautiful lovely color of the fishes. They're very beautifully cooked outside and inside, and it's up to you. If you want, you can just roast them because they're already coated very nicely. The masalas have synced inside the fish. They will taste wonderful. So go for it, give it a try, and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching.